Hi friends, today you worked on finding words that have the same beginning sounds. So today you'll be writing a sentence which says, I'm going to blank, and I'm taking blank. Now in those words that I said blank on, you are going to put two words in there that have the same beginning sound. So the first thing we need to do is we need to say the words that we want to write. So I want to write beach and Beth. Then I need to write those words in the blanks and draw a picture that matches my sentence. So my sentence will say, I'm going to the beach and I'm taking Beth. So my picture needs to show me and Beth at the beach. And when you're finished, you're going to read your whole sentence and make sure that it makes sense and matches your picture. Have fun writing and drawing.